Welcome to Mr. Amin's English class. English for beginners.
Selamat datang di kelas Bahasa Inggris Mr. Amin. Bahasa Inggris untuk pemula.
Topic 16. Can you?
Anak-anak, suatu saat kita harus bertanya maupun menjawab. Berikut melakukannya dalam bahasa Inggris.
Hello, students of SMP Negeri 1 Sluke. How are you this morning? Are you fine? I'm fine, thank you. The topic for this morning is, can you? Example. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you speak French? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you speak German? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Note: Spanish, Arabic, Indonesian, Portuguese, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, Russian, Italian, Dutch, Indian, Japanese. Can you cook fried chicken? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you cook boiled egg? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you cook fried cassava? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Note: boiled fish, fried shrimp, boiled crab, fried noodles, boiled corn, fried peanut, boiled soy, fried potato.
Nah, kalian sudah tahu cara bertanya dan menjawab. Pelajari ungkapan-ungkapannya dan praktekkan sesering mungkin. Selamat belajar.